Hey, it's Stringles and I'm back with a haul video all about AliExpress. Yes, so many girls shop there. There's videos and hauls all over YouTube, so I figured why not make one? Why not let me be your plug? Let me be the plug. So here are my recent purchases and let's just get into it. But the links will be in the description bar, so check the description bar. First thing I want to show you I purchased is my phone case. It says I'm black every month. Yes, that's right. I had to have it. It was like perfect for February. And I'm going to use it way beyond just February. So I bought that. While we're on the subject of phones, I also bought this really cute case. You can't see it on camera. It's clear, but it has like planets on it and stars. Next thing is these eyelashes. So these eyelashes, I used some for my birthday, but they were the bomb. I suck at putting on lashes, but I was determined this year to work it out, and I did. So I picked these up. They're A21. I also picked up these little beauty blenders. They're mini. They came 4 in a pack. They are so cute. I use the purple one already. I use it underneath my eyebrows to blend it, and they work well. Plus, when I went to Marshall's, they wanted like, I think it was like $6.99 for like 2 little mini ones, and that wasn't working for me. Next, I got this liquid highlighter. Highlight liquid, they say. It's a liquid highlighter if you want to say it the correct way. The color is 03. I haven't really, ooh, nice and sparkly. It looks natural. Not too bold. Haven't really played around with it yet though, because I haven't been having time to like slay my makeup. Like, I'm a mom now. I need the quickest thing. Next is this chain I bought. It's like a choker chain. It's really cute. I bought it for my birthday, but it didn't come in time. That's the only thing about Ali. You gotta know what you want way before the date, because some things could take, most things take around 2 weeks, but there are some things that take longer. But it's cute. It has like stars and moons. That's pretty much all I bought. If you want to see me use any of these items, just let me know down below. And check out the description box for all the deets. Deets. That's such a weird word. Like, I don't know who decided, oh, let's shorten the word detail to deets. I don't like it. Check out the description bar for all the details. When I said deets, it just sounded unfinished. So yeah, details is, I'm gonna stick with details. Until next time, it's your girl Stringles. Peace.